2025 Suzuki Boulevard C50, a classic cruiser with modern touches. Introduction. Suzuki has long been a trusted name in the cruiser motorcycle world, and the 2025 Suzuki Boulevard C50 continues that legacy. This mid-sized cruiser offers a perfect balance of classic styling, modern performance, and rider comfort. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to cruisers, the C50 delivers a smooth and relaxed ride while packing enough power for long highway trips. In this article, we'll dive into what makes the 2025 model special and why it might be the perfect cruiser for you. Classic design with modern refinements. The Boulevard C50 has always been known for its timeless design, and the 2025 model retains that signature look while adding modern refinements. It features a retro-styled teardrop fuel tank, a low-slung seat, and plenty of chrome accents that give it a premium cruiser feel. The large front fender and fat tires enhance its classic appeal, while the LED headlight and updated digital analog instrument cluster bring a contemporary touch. Smooth and reliable performance. At the heart of the 2025 Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a fuel-injected 805cc V-twin engine, designed for smooth power delivery and strong low-end torque. This engine makes city cruising effortless and provides enough muscle for highway riding. The 5-speed transmission is tuned for relaxed cruising, while the shaft drive system ensures low maintenance and a clean look. Suzuki has fine-tuned the suspension system for better comfort, with a telescopic front fork and rear link-type suspension that absorb bumps effectively. This means riders can enjoy a plush ride, whether they're cruising around town or taking on long highway stretches. Comfort and ergonomics for long rides. One of the standout features of the Boulevard C50 has always been its comfortable riding position. The wide, swept-back handlebars and forward set-foot controls create a relaxed posture, reducing rider fatigue on long journeys. The low 27.6-inch seat height makes it easy for riders of all sizes to plant their feet firmly on the ground. The 2025 model also introduces improved seat padding for enhanced comfort on extended rides. If you enjoy touring, Suzuki offers optional saddlebags, a windshield, and a passenger backrest, making it a great option for long-distance riders. Technology and features. While the Boulevard C50 retains its old-school charm, Suzuki has integrated modern technology to enhance the riding experience. LED lighting. The 2025 model features an LED headlight, taillight, and turn signals for better visibility and durability. Updated instrument cluster. A mix of analog and digital readouts provides clear and easy-to-read information, including speed, fuel level, and gear position. Fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Suzuki Boulevard C50 is expected to be priced competitively, making it a great value in the midsize cruiser segment. Suzuki will offer it in multiple color options, including classic black, metallic blue, and pearl white. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and comfortable cruiser, the 2025 Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a solid choice. It blends classic cruiser aesthetics with modern technology, offering a smooth ride and low maintenance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, the C50 delivers an enjoyable and relaxed riding experience. Would you consider the 2025 Boulevard C50 for your next ride? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews. Ride safe.